What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm doing the suck again today. All the behind the scenes stuff I rarely film because it's not really all that entertaining, but there is some really good pointers in here I want you guys to pick up on, especially you guys that are doing your build and trying not to go as deep. Go deep, trust me, and I'm about to show you why. All right, guys, so we'll start inside. I've been spending a bunch of time in here. I took the obviously the air box and everything completely out, put the new heater core in, which I don't have to tell you, you need to do your heater core. But I split the box and I had acorns all in the fan motor, so that would have burned up as soon as I tried to turn it on. So huge. Definitely recommend doing that. Also, apparently this thing had been out at some point and I had this screw was missing, the two holding that all together, and this strap that was holding the main part of it was stripped out. So what will that give you? A couple of things. You won't get a good seal at the cowl. You know, it's gonna sit there and shake and vibrate and just drive you crazy. So now it is all back in, new heater core, every screw where it belongs, and it's freaking solid. Oh, got the A9L in, so that's ready. Very excited to have that all done. But stuck the shop back in there, got the entire case cleaned out, new heater core, she's good to go. All right, so the next thing, I was about to go ahead and stick the dash back in the car because everything on the firewall is good to go. But like I was telling you guys, this is just part of the pile of the BS wiring that was in it. And I'm telling you guys, if you've got a Fox body, someone's put gauges, some ratty stereo install. I mean, there's no telling what kind of stuff people have wired up behind these things. So you gotta go in here. This was a major find. Not exactly sure why they did this, but we're gonna have to reconnect that, because if, like I said, if we put the dash back in the car, hooked everything back up, we would have had a no start condition and would have been scratching our heads. And I promise you, you'd rather sit here on the floor and do this than lay on your back with that stud from the seat hitting you in the shoulder and trying to do it that way. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going through everything, making sure everything's legit, making sure all the BS wiring's out of it. So when it goes back in, we're not gonna have any funky wiring conditions. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. All right, guys, real quick, I did get kind of antsy to start making it look like a car again on the outside. So I've had the headlights for it sitting here forever, but got those put in. Man, what a difference. Just getting lights in the car, you know, makes it look like a car. And get the tails in. Oh yeah. Yeah, starting to look like something. But I got something even better to show you guys from LMR. Let's check them out. Boys, can we just take a minute and thank LMR? Guys, look, man. We order from them, I don't even know how many times, usually a week. Look, I mean, all the stuff we do on this channel, I mean, some of the stuff is used, but like all the giveaway cars, Pop's car, like pretty much every car we do out here is LMR, man. And the new parts they come out with, which I've got some to show you, they just continually bring out new stuff. Man, guys, stop by and give Landon or Jude or Tyler or any one of the amazing people at LMR, just give them a fist bump, say, hey man, we appreciate you, because like, I'm telling you, I don't know how we get a lot of this stuff done. But anyway, I've got some amazing stuff to show you that I've been waiting for a long time from LMR. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's right. That's right. You already know. Guys, if you saw the render that I gave you over a year ago, before we ever touched Project Frostbite, I told you what this giveaway car was going to look like. Well, paint's done. Let's get these things out. Just because this is always such a good moment, we gotta enjoy it together. Oh man, is there anything like new wheels? Probably not, except when you try to undo them by hand. Pop the little protector off. Yeah, that's right. We got the SVE 17-inch pony, just like in the render photo. Before we ever started on the car, I knew this is what this car was going to look like. And guess what? Huge piece to the puzzle is here. So, obviously you can tell we got two different size boxes. Why do we have two different size boxes? Because obviously they're staggered. So your fronts are 17 by 8s, and then your backs are 17 by 10s. Man, I'm gonna have a moment here. God. And if you look on LMR's website, they come with the official licensed center cap. Man, are they freaking beautiful or what? I'm having a moment, I'm telling you. All right, just because I had to see the 10s. I don't want to pull them out right now. It's gonna be a minute before I'll get the tires mounted. I don't want them scratched or anything, but freaking beautiful. Guys, you know, these are probably one of my favorite wheels. My 92 right there had Pony R's on it forever. That was the only wheel I wanted. And like I said, when I saw the Click Click Racing's car, I was like, I knew that's what this car was gonna be. I mean, just, I really want to bolt one on. I don't need to mess with it right now, but God. SVE Pony R's, boys. Man, these things are, man, they're so pretty when they're new. All right, boys, another new parts drop. I don't know if you guys saw this on Facebook or Instagram, but LMR just dropped the entire armrest. Now, this kit, which I only unboxed part of it, comes with everything. Comes with your pad, comes with your complete armrest assembly, all the hardware. I mean, all the hardware. I mean, it's all freaking there. Not only that, but it comes with the new chrome strips. This is an entire kit. Even the freaking armrest plugs. Yeah, every bit of hardware. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a godsend. This is why I say we need to give a big fist bump to LMR. Because dropping parts like these, because you guys know, this stuff cracks, the brakes, the tabs break off, the holes strip out. Man, I'm telling you guys, this just a freaking godsend. Like all the other new stuff that they come out with just makes it possible to do this stuff that we love to do. Guys, do not forget, we got dual entries right now. And if you want a set of SVE wheels like this, absolutely, actually not like this, yours will have Nitto tires on it shipped to your door. Guess what? Dual entries are live. Either the T56 Magnum or the SVE wheel and tire kit are both live. Right now you get dual entries until May 13th when the T56 Magnum giveaway ends, and then the wheel and tire giveaway ends on June 14th. So stop by the website. We got all kinds of brand new merch on the website right now, guys. If you were there a couple of weeks ago, go back and check it now. We got OBS stuff, we got camo hats, we got 5.0 stuff, we got all kinds of brand new merch drops on the website. Grab anything in the store. $5 equals 1 entry. Freaking legit, man. All right, boys, so a couple more things. for Frostbite, we got brand new run channels. Now, if you don't know what a run channel is, it's this. They just always look, actually these aren't bad, but I went ahead and got new ones anyway. I think it's the other side that's bad, but it's this piece right here. They're kind of a pain in the ass to install. But so we got new run channels, just like we did in Project Two-Tone. What else we got? New grill emblem, door handles, fantastic. And then of course the final piece, well, not the final piece, we ain't even got started yet. Brand new carpet for Project Frostbite. Now look, you guys heard me talk when we were doing my car. The ACC carpet, it's pretty much what's out there. The factory carpet is just made better. And if you remember, this is factory carpet in my car. We pressure washed it, did a little dyeing. It had some light fading on it, but it looks absolutely phenomenal. I was trying to do the same thing with Frostbite's original carpet. Unfortunately, it just wasn't happening. I did my best with it. I pressure washed it, did some dyeing, and just wasn't happy with it. So we got brand new carpet. It's not bad, but just like anything, the original equipment stuff, when you go with, you know, when you're talking about things like carpet and stuff like that, typically just the best. But it's the same carpet as in Pop's car, same carpet we put in Project Two-Tone 4 to 8. I mean, it's good carpet. I just prefer the thickness and the longevity you get from an OE carpet. All right, boys, that is pretty much the what? All kinds of badassery coming. Project Frostbite is coming along like gangbusters. Next big thing we'll probably do is bolt the engine and trans together, drop it in the car. I wanted to go ahead and get it wired first before we did that, but man, this is not gonna take long, and this car is gonna look absolutely amazing. Barring anything unforeseen, you know, something always happens. So one other note, guys, don't forget Ford Takeover coming up, man. June 21st and 22nd. Do not miss Ford Takeover this year, guys. It's gonna be epic. And on that note, I'm out of here. Have a good one.